Hey guys, welcome to Nailgebra, a series of tutorials where I turn digits into designs. Today we're going to start with the number 1. Start with connecting the top and bottom line and paint a little rectangle at the bottom. Add a shape of a teardrop at the top and then fill in with white gel polish. Once cured, fill in the flame area with yellow and red gel polish. For the candle bit, start marking up some diagonal lines. Feel free to thicken them up so you can get a more festive nail. Go in with some white gel polish and create a melted wax look. To finish off the design, we're going to outline the candle, connect the flame with the candle and outline the melted wax area and add a little bit of detail with some small black lines here and there just to make the whole look slightly more interesting. Don't forget to apply your favorite top coat and make sure to tag me if you recreate this look. See you on episode 2.